3I Atlas, an interstellar object speeding toward Mars, isn't just a comet. It's accelerating and moving with a precision that defies physics. The James Webb Telescope confirmed something extraordinary. This could rewrite everything we know about space. Is it a message or a threat? Stay with me to uncover the truth. At first glance, 3 Atlas appeared to be just another comet, discovered on July 1st, speeding through our solar system like countless others before it. But this object was different, traveling at an unprecedented velocity of 87 kilometers per second, far faster than typical comets. Instead of slowing as it approaches the Sun, 3 Atlas began accelerating, a behavior that immediately puzzled astronomers. Its glowing coma, the cloud of gas and dust surrounding it, displayed unusual brightness patterns and emitted strange signals that defied expectations. Normally, comets slow down as they get closer to the Sun due to solar gravity, but this one seemed to push against those laws, adjusting its speed and even its trajectory as if it were controlled by some unknown force. This wasn't just a random traveler, it was maneuvering. Scientists quickly started questioning, what exactly is 3 Atlas? Could it be a natural object behaving oddly? Or was it something more? A crafted probe or ship with intelligent control? More detailed observations revealed bursts of gas released rhythmically every 17 minutes. Simulations predicted that its path is steering directly toward Mars with unnerving precision. At such velocity and trajectory, this raises urgent questions. Is an impact inevitable? And if so, what could the consequences be? The scientific community holds its breath as we follow this enigmatic visitor from the depths of interstellar space, watching it close in on the red planet with what seems like purpose. What truths will it bring with it? And what mysteries lie hidden inside this remarkable cosmic messenger? No one expected 3 Atlas to behave like this. Instead of drifting silently through space like a typical comet, scientists noticed something extraordinary. Every 17 minutes, 3 Atlas emitted rhythmic pulses of gas. These pulse patterns weren't random. They suggested a repeating mechanism at work. This discovery sent ripples through the astronomical community. Could such regularity come from a purely natural object? The answer seemed increasingly unlikely. Simulations of its trajectory showed something even more alarming. 3 Atlas is on a direct collision course with Mars, moving with unnerving precision, unlike any object thrown into the solar system by chance. Some experts propose the presence of micropropulsion technology, tiny, controlled thrusts that adjust the object's path. Its speed and maneuvers defy the natural deceleration comets undergo when approaching the Sun. Instead, it seems to accelerate, steering itself like a spacecraft. Imagine this: an unknown object speeding from interstellar space, not merely drifting but actively navigating towards a planet in our solar system. What could this mean? Is it a probe sent by an advanced civilization? Or maybe a message encoded in motion and gas emissions? While we lack definitive proof, the evidence points to intelligence behind the movement. This is not just an inert rock. It is an active, possibly sentient entity crossing the void with purpose. What happens when something like this aims precisely at Mars? The possibilities are both fascinating and terrifying. Are we witnessing the first encounter with an alien probe? Or is there a more natural explanation yet to emerge? As observations of 3 Atlas deepened, scientists began to uncover baffling clues suggesting this object might not be natural at all. One of the most striking findings was the presence of unusual metallic reflections bouncing off its surface, something rarely seen in typical cometary material. But the mysteries didn't stop there. The object emitted 3 distinct green light beams, pulsing in sync with the gas emissions every 17 minutes, all directed precisely toward Mars. This level of coordinated activity indicates an engineered system, not random space debris. Furthermore, signals detected around the object showed structured patterns resembling coded transmissions. Instead of the usual chaotic radio noise from natural phenomena, what scientists picked up resembled intentional rhythmic pulses. These signals don't communicate by radio waves, but seem embedded in the object's behavior itself, almost as if the movement is a form of language. Some experts hypothesize that 3 Atlas could be a probe or sonda remotely controlled with micropropulsion technology, maneuvering through space with engineering far beyond anything humanity has achieved. The object's ability to stay on course, adjusting speed and orientation minute by minute, defies any natural explanation. If this is true, then what we're witnessing might be the first clear evidence of intelligent extraterrestrial technology entering our solar system. A profound discovery that challenges our understanding of life, intelligence, and the cosmos. Yet, amid these astonishing facts, many unanswered questions remain. Who sent it? What is its purpose? And why Mars? What happened next only deepens the mystery further. The prospect of 3 Atlas colliding with Mars is no longer hypothetical. It's a looming possibility that sends shockwaves through both scientific and planetary defense communities. The energy it would release upon impact is staggering, equivalent to millions of megatons of TNT, enough to devastate large regions and cripple decades of ongoing research. Mars is not just an empty rock. It hosts rovers like Perseverance and orbiters that have been collecting invaluable data for years. An impact would destroy these mechanical explorers, erasing a significant portion of humanity's efforts to understand the Red Planet. But the dangers go beyond physical destruction. Scientists worry about the potential contamination Mars might face. If 3 Atlas carries biological material, whether dormant microbes or artificial life, it could initiate a form of panspermia in reverse, seeding Mars with new, unknown organisms. This raises ethical and scientific alarms about contamination of another world and the implications for planetary protection protocols. Could this impact alter Mars's environment in ways we can't yet predict? There's a chance it might trigger unforeseen geological or atmospheric changes, possibly waking dormant processes beneath the surface. With stakes this high, agencies worldwide track 3 Atlas obsessively, debating potential mitigation or observation strategies. Yet, the truth remains. This event could redefine our understanding of not only Mars, but also cosmic interactions and the fragility of planetary ecosystems. And, as if this weren't enough, new startling discoveries about the object have come to light, deepening the enigma. Just when the mystery seemed close to being unraveled, scientists uncovered even stranger details about 3 Atlas. Spectroscopic analysis revealed the presence of synthetic materials, elements and compounds not typically found in natural celestial bodies. These materials suggest some level of artificial construction, making the case for intelligent origin even stronger. Further, anomalies appeared in the isotopic composition of the object's core. These isotopic ratios didn't match anything previously recorded in our solar system, hinting at an origin far beyond our cosmic neighborhood. But the most puzzling discovery involved hidden binary codes appearing not in radio signals but encoded in the very trajectory of 3 Atlas. Subtle deviations and speed changes that form patterns resembling mathematical sequences. It's as if the object is sending a message through its movement, a silent signal traveling through space. Scientists speculate this could be an intentional communication method, a cosmic calling card designed to be deciphered only by observers capable of recognizing it. This discovery shifts the narrative from mere impact risk to an interstellar message, one that challenges everything we understand about communication and signals in space. What messages could be hidden in motion? What cosmic intelligence lies behind these signals? The clues are there, but the answers remain tantalizingly out of reach. As if the mystery of 3 Atlas couldn't get any deeper, researchers began noticing extraordinary cosmic coincidences tied to its arrival. The dates of its appearance and predicted arrival align strikingly with historical celestial events recorded by ancient civilizations. These alignments even correspond with megalithic structures such as Stonehenge and other ancient observatories, places believed to have marked significant cosmic moments. The same celestial patterns appear in myths from diverse cultures. Stories of a fire serpent crossing the sky, eerily similar to 3 Atlas's trajectory. Could these be mere coincidences? Or did ancient civilizations encode a warning or even guidance linked to this very object? The idea that we are witnessing a cosmic cycle foretold millennia ago forces us to reconsider how these cultures understood the universe. What if 3 Atlas isn't just a random visitor, but part of a grand cosmic design, one that connects past and present in ways we're only beginning to grasp? Recent observations have revealed surprising reactions from Mars as 3 Atlas approaches. Instruments around the planet, especially near Olympus Mons, the solar system's largest volcano, have detected magnetic pulses that seem to align closely with the object's gas emissions. This pattern suggests a connection or influence previously unaccounted for. On the planet's surface, swirling patterns in Martian dust resemble eye-like formations. These shapes aren't random. Their orientation corresponds precisely with the projected path of 3 Atlas. Scientists are debating whether this is a natural effect of Mars winds or an indication Mars itself is signaling in response. Some researchers propose that Mars's geology may be more sensitive to external stimuli than previously thought, possibly linking the magnetic activity and surface changes to hidden processes beneath the crust. Even more speculatively, theories emerge that Mars could host dormant biological or perhaps even cognitive systems waking up in acknowledgement of 3 Atlas. Could it be that Mars is not simply a target for a cosmic visitor, but an active participant in an ancient dialogue across the stars? This idea pushes the boundaries of planetary science and challenges us to reconsider the red planet in a new light. As the countdown to possible impact continues, Mars itself appears to carry a whisper of something greater, a cosmic resonance still barely understood. What secrets might this ancient planet reveal once 3 Atlas arrives? As scientists probe deeper, astonishing links emerge between 3 Atlas and biological signatures familiar to life on Earth. Molecules resembling RNA, the building blocks of life, have been detected trailing the object, raising profound questions about its nature. Even more bizarre are hints of interaction with human brainwaves. Early experiments suggest subtle correlations between the object's emissions and patterns in neural activity, as if 3 Atlas might be communicating or resonating on a cognitive level. What if 3 Atlas is not merely a physical probe, but a form of consciousness traveling through space, a thought embodied in matter, seeking to be understood? This idea stretches the limits of science and philosophy alike, suggesting a new frontier of cosmic awareness and connection. Could this be the universe's way of reaching out, blurring the line between biology, technology, and mind? The implications are as thrilling as they are unsettling. Nothing here is by chance. Everything, ancient myths, modern science, Mars's reactions and mysterious signals, is connected in ways we barely grasp. We are not passive observers, but part of an interstellar story unfolding before our eyes. What will 3 Atlas bring to our understanding of the universe? Is humanity ready for what comes next? These questions remain open, urging us to watch closely and wonder deeply. If you thought this was intense, wait until you see what comes next. The truth, waiting in the shadows, will change everything you thought you knew. Click to continue this journey and uncover the secrets that the cosmos doesn't want you to see.